Good morning guys! Today, try natin yung Panda Express. Same. Good morning guys! It's Saturday. Ang plano dapat namin is maglalakad lang kami. Ang nangyari, nakapag naman kami, decide na naman na mag-shopping na lang. Walmart shopping. Then, sabi ko sa kanya, oh, gusto kong kumain muna. Ayan, magpa-Panda Express kami. Panda Express with my coffee. Almusal. Hindi pa ako nakakain dito. Sabi nila, ang Panda Express daw ay hindi naman, parang fast food lang. This is fast food, asawa, right?
No.
Oh, it is,
Well,
no?
it's like it, but no. It's not really fast food. It's actually food. Look,
Ah,
you have like rice, teriyaki,
actual food naman daw na
teriyaki
niluluto.
rice, noodles, teriyaki. See?
Yan. So, try natin. Alam ko meron din ito sa Manila. Alam, this is also available in Manila, right?
I believe yes.
Tama, nilalakaran namin, no? Dito na ako sa batuhan. Yeah. First time. Good morning, my love.
Good morning.
Pasok tayo. Yan, binubuksan na nila. It's closed pa. Yung dumating kami. 8:30 sila nagbukas. Eto, guys. Ano lang, let's sit here.
See, look, sesame crispy. See, sesame.
Yan natin yung menu nila.
Look, you can see the food. Look here.
Oh, may ganito sila.
You order from whatever combination you want.
I like
It's good.
it.
I like it.
We have sinangag here. Egg roll. Wow. First time kasi namin dito. Is this shrimp, asawa?
I don't.
Or love, that's what you like?
Yeah,
The
honey
beef?
walnut shrimp. See, honey walnut shrimp.
I like that though. And I think that's chicken.
Chicken breast, honey chicken breast over there. Over here is fried rice. And what else? Right? Pepper steak, sirloin steak. What is this one?
Pepper sirloin. Black pepper
No, I want this.
sirloin steak.
I don't know which one I want. I gotta see. They're coming out now.
Kakabukas na kasi nila, guys. Kung pao chicken, kung pao chicken.
Kung pao chicken, spicy the top. The original orange chicken, which is hot. Not hot, but supposedly a little.
Oh, I like this pancit.
Oh yeah, they have it.
So they
coming out,
have
no main.
like good
Yeah.
family meal bowl 1 and 3, 2 and 3 bigger plate. Oh, dun tayo love sa ano. Let's try the Let's try the 11.70 lang. Bigger plate. 3 and 3.
You want a bigger plate?
Yeah, it's only $1. Oh. Okay. So, piliin namin yung bigger plate kasi yung ano nila is sa bowl nila is $8.50. Sa plate nila is one side lang yon or 1 entry. 2 entry nila sa plate, 10. Bigger plate is 11.70. 3 entry and 1 side. Okay. Let's do this. How will it go? Hi, good morning.
You know which one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one?
I like sinangag, I like pancit, I like chicken. It's like turo-turo.
So, you would like
The bigger plate,
$11 bigger plate?
Yeah. Fried rice for me. And you chow mein.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
2 plates.
2. Yes. Wow, I like it here, love.
Yes, nice. my job, remember Ann Reed? They, not this place, but they used to come to our job
Oh,
every
really?
once a month.
What's this? That's like beef, black pepper, chicken.
And she's never been here before.
Yeah, this is my first time. I'm sorry. Can I have this, honey? Yeah, orange chicken and that's it for now. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll just have that. So I have the 3 entry. Okay. One. Sige, let's try this, love. This is shrimp.
That's right.
Okay. And that's it. And then you get
pepper
this
steak,
now.
Yep. Broccoli.
Kaka-open lang kasi nila, guys. Kaya wala pang masyado. Yan, yung akin. Kinuha ko, guys, is ito. Ito, honey, no. Ito ay sirloin, I think, eh. Broccoli. Beef broccoli. Ito, shrimp. At saka yung orange chicken, saka sinangabo.
That's for here.
No drinks, daw.
Watermelon? No? No drink?
No, it's not included. I have coffee.
Okay.
You get your...
Oh, pomegranate. And I want to try that pomegranate. Yeah, pomegranate one.
Only one.
Yeah.
Oh. And also cheap lang.
Huh?
28 only.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
I told you. I've been here. It's not like, okay, super high-end
Yeah.
Asian food, but it's
Any
good.
sauces?
Soy sauce?
Yeah.
Get that.
How about some cookies? For mama?
Can we take this or this is for sale?
Yeah.
Do you like ice?
Yeah, nice.
Well, those are like $1.50.
Oh, okay. Then I thought you would take it. No.
I'll bring this and you bring that.
Yeah.
Ayan na, okay na kami. Wala pa masyadong pagkain. Huwag pala kayong pupunta dito kung masyado maaga. Kasi wala pa sila masyadong pagkain.
Send to mom.
Yeah. So guys, ito yung food namin. Sa kanya chow mein, pancit. This is orange chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos yung egg roll ni Pedro. Then ito yung sa akin.
Beef.
Beef broccoli. Ito naman orange chicken also. Ito shrimp. Tapos sinangabo. Guys, hindi masarap yung yung shrimp. Masarap daw yung yung beef.
Beef is good.
This is not good also.
No.
Food tasting tayo ngayon, guys. Tingnan natin yung beef. Hindi masarap.
Hmm? No? Oh. Wait.
No, one only. No. Tingnan natin yung chow mein nila. Guangwang is better.
Of course, love. This is just simple.
Mm. Kahit yung pansit nila hindi masarap.
First off.
Kaya huwag kayong kakain nila. Dahil hindi siya masarap. Food pan dahil hindi masarap.
The noodles are hard.
Yan. Tingnan natin yung chicken niya. Nila, orange chicken. Kasi,
Mm-hmm. That's what I don't like.
I can recook that. Iluluto ko ulit yung
What?
pancit.
Mhm.
I can recook that.
You can fix it.
Even the rice, I can recook it.
No flavor.
Taste it. Walang lasa din yung sinangag.
Yeah. Good stuff.
I will recook that in the house. At home.
Sorry lang.
It's okay.
Like
I wanna try it.
It's called Panda Express because it's not high-end food. It's just quick Asian food.
It's a fast food.
Mm-hmm.
Ano to? Fast food place ng Asia. Yeah guys, yung ganun kasarap.
I like the
Pero-
meat.
No, it's still, Wang Wang is better. No, Wang Wang. Because Wang Wang has that too.
Mhm.
That has in the main.
Yeah, but it's not bad. I mean, for what it is.
I love my coffee. Sarap ng kape, guys. Kain na kami, guys. Guys, kawawa naman ang may-ari ng ng branch na to. Kasi nitong business na to,
Okay, chismes. Chismes.
nagawa ko ng
Oh
chismis.
my God.
Hindi kasi dumating kami, dapat bukas sila ng ng 8:30. Pero alas 9 na, sarado pa. Kung sa mall, you know what? In the Philippines, I remember when I was working in the mall lab, if the store is still not
Oh my God, I'm
open.
paying. I keep $638.
Wait lang. Natawag ang anak ko.
Where you going?
Ah,
Where you going?
hi!
What you doing? Where you going? What's that?
Papunta na sa kotse. Alam nyo guys,
New day,
huwag
Vegas.
kayong kakain doon.
At the mountains, neighborhood Walmart. We ate at Panda Express. I'm following her.
Panda
doing?
Express sucks.
What's your review?
Hala,
What's your... Oh, cookie fell? Hey, what? Cookie. What's your rating? Panda Express.
1.
What?
At least they have 1 out of 10.
No like it. She
The
didn't like the Panda Express.
taste is very
Experience.
bland.
This is bland. I like it. It's cheap Asian food, but you know, it's like the like the fast food of Asian food, like the Burger King and McDonald's of Asian food.
But I don't like
You
it.
don't like? You don't like? Okay. You see that? She's gonna take it home
And then recook it.
and recook it and fix it with
I
real
will-
Asian flavor.
Yeah, I will recook this. Because the taste is really bland.
You don't like bland
And I will put lots of vegetables.
vegetable. Okay. Well,
Ano?
bye. I know, bye.
Nandito kami sa Walmart, guys.
$2.24,
Yeah. 240.
$2.40,
240.
right?
244. Kagabi, 190 lang. Nadagdagan, naging 240. Ayaw daw niya, guys.
I gotta bring the car out because if not, it's gonna.
Dahil nga rest day ni Inday, magsha-shopping tayo. So ko yung DKNY ko na, to? Partner siya ng pants. And then ito, long sleeve to. Tagal ko na itong nabili, ngayon ko lang ito nasuot. Kasi nga, Sabado ngayon, sabi ko kay Pedro, i-drop ako sa shopping ko. Nabuburlok lang ako, guys. Parang gusto ko lang na gastahin yung kinita ko sa Facebook. Which is $26. Yun lang kinita natin sa Facebook, guys. For 3 months. Hindi, guys. Gusto ko lang tumingin ng something sa Ross. So, samahan nyo ako later, alligator. Para sa ating pagwawaldas ng $26. So, pwede $26 para sa waldasan. So, gusto ko lang mag-medyas. Ang cute to. Nakita ko kakulay din niya. Kulay-kulay. Bali, winter na pala dito ngayon, guys. 58 degree. Okay. 58 nga ng weather. Kagabi, it's 81. Biglang bumaba ngayon. Kasi kagabi, lumabas kami. Alas 11 na yata. Alas 9. Like, 5 to 10. Then, nagstay kami sa Walmart for 1 hour para mamili. Take our time. Pero ang nangyari is nakalimutan naman namin yung card namin. Kaya po, ang nangyari sa amin ay umuwi kami na wala kaming pinamili. Dahil wala silang Apple Pay. So, ngayon kami ulit namili. Sayang naman yung pinaghirapan namin, guys. Love, I'm done!
I just finished feeding Mama second plate.
Oh! Second plate!
Well, a little bit, not a full second plate.
Okay. We'll just be here, okay? I'll wait for you here. So, yun na nga. Dahil day of Ninday. Papadrop ako kay Pedro sa Walmart. Ay, no. Ross pala. Papadrop ako kay Pedro sa Ross. Titingnan ko kung may sale sa Marshalls or sa Ross. Kasi minsan may sale sa Marshalls. Pag ang Marshalls na nagbigay ng sale, mas maraming nag-clearance sale. Mas maraming mas mura kaysa sa Ross. So check ko muna both. Kung saan mas mura. Kung saan mas may clearance sales. Then doon ako mamimili. The last time, ang dami ko nang nalagay sa basket ko. Nakakatawa lang kasi sira yung system nila. So hindi ko nabili. Ang mahal naman sa Marshalls that time. So hindi ako namili sa Marshalls. Namili lang ako sa Marshalls yung pabango lang ni Pedro Lasas. Medyo namimiss ko na lang din pumunta doon. Kaya pumunta ako ngayon. Si Pedro hindi sasama. Tumansik. Drop niya lang ako. Malungkot siya. Kasi mama kailangan ng kasama sa bahay. Yeah. Samahan niyo ako later. Yung mga kahinaan ko, mga bago. Oh, like this. Kansha. 48 yung original price niya, guys. Steve Maiden. 16 na lang. Kunin natin ito. Oh, nice. I love it. May pamalit ako doon sa white ko. Yan tayo ng iba. Baka merong iba. Yung plano mo is chinelas lang ang bibili mo. Pero nandito ka na. Ang dami magaganda. May nakuha na ako dito. Bag. Steve Maiden. Look at this. Original price is $48. Makukuha lang natin siya ng $16.99. Sobrang mura. Ganda niya. Ito lang talaga yung bibili natin, guys. Kaya may mga nakikita ko magaganda. Hanap tayo na mas maganda. Guys, try natin to. Black snail. Cream with black snail mucin. Enhances skin firmness. Kukunin ko sana night cream ko. Night cream lang. So, dati siyang $12. $7.99 na lang. Parang Japan product to. Holika. Pamir black snail. So, siya ay... Korean product pala to. Korean product. Try natin ito. Cream siya. Face cream. Tapos ito. Black snail mucin help boost skin elasticity and radiance. Parang ano din to. Korean product din to. From $13 naging $7.99 na lang siya. Korean din yata. Oh yeah, made in Korea. Try natin to.